Sally Nugent, BBC News.
Whoa, right. Let's take a look at the weather now with Helen Willetts.
Well, rain. Rain
Okay.
is our forecast, unfortunately, for the next 36 hours. Some more than the others. We'll see about 100 millimetres of rain potentially for South Wales, significant amounts elsewhere. Well, you can see that rain easing its way northwards, so no surprise with that warning out at the moment. Looks pretty nasty, doesn't it, by the end of the night across the northern half of the country, and it's certainly going to be mild for most of us. Mild, muggy and misty. So some fairly atrocious conditions to drive to work in tomorrow across Scotland. Some pretty heavy rain around here and across northern England. North East England, Lincolnshire and further south across the eastern half of the country. We do start to see things drying up by morning, but basically limited brightness. It's going to be quite grey and damp for many of us to start tomorrow morning. Not at all appetising for the end of the week. From further west you go, well, the likelihood is the rain's still with us. Probably as much as 30 or 40 millimetres in the next 36 hours, I should say, across Devon and Cornwall. But there's that heavy rain still pulsing across South and North Wales. Pretty unpleasant start to the day with a strengthening wind, which will tend to blow the rain away from Northern Ireland fairly swiftly after the rush hour. So an improving picture, if you like, for Northern Ireland. That rain also blowing north across Scotland, but will linger in western areas, only slowly peter out. So some brightness will send those temperatures soaring. Really quite warm if we see some brightness across eastern England. But the rain's really just half the story, because we'll get a strengthening wind, and by tomorrow evening there's a potential for gales or severe gale force winds for Northern Ireland and Scotland. Really unusual for this time of year, as is the amount of rainfall we're talking, which will still be with us, as you can see, across England and Wales on Saturday, brightening up, drying up to the north with some showers, and hopefully by the end of Sunday it should be a day of sunshine and showers, and hopefully a little bit of brightness as well. Yeah, lots to talk about really in the next 24 hours, Fiona.
Thanks, Helen. It's nearly 6:30. Stay with us. Now it's time to join the BBC's news teams where you are. Bye-bye.